Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here naphthalene system is given. You have connectivity in alpha position. It has ethyl groups reacting with N-bromosuccinamide to equivalent and light and carbon tetrachloride. You have to find the final product. Everybody knows NBS supply radical. It's a radical initiator. But where the reaction occur in the ring or side chain. Here CH bond in alkane are easy to break because of sp3 carbon. CH in benzene hard to break because sp2 carbon. Hence the radical forms at the side chain, which is ethylene chain. It forms. Then N-bromosuccinamide provide bromine. You have bromine substitution. Then the next step where the bromination occur, again the same question. It occur in the A place or B place. It occur in the A, not in the B, because bromine is the electron withdrawing group, destabilize the radical. So dibromine don't form, only dibromine in the separate carbon, 1,2 carbon forms there. So A radical forms, you have bromine substitution. Here you may think other way also. Free radical substitution not possible in the benzene ring because you have to activate the benzene, or you can say electron rich benzene repel the electronic free radical. So our answer is dibromide there. Here the concept you have to learn here is N-bromosuccinamide can provide free radical. It always attack weaker CH bonds. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.